As Mr. Good just said, thank you for your interest in our department's A-plus Cutting Edge program. Why the A-plus, you ask? Because food establishments participating in the Cutting Edge program have shown statistically to outperform with fewer violations, higher grades, and greater participation in promoting their inspection results to the public. The Cutting Edge program has truly raised the bar for safer food for you and the customers you serve. The key to successful participation in the Cutting Edge program is to have an effective food safety system in place through active managerial control. Here is an overview of the A-plus Cutting Edge program.
The Cutting Edge is a collaborative food safety program based on the concept of active managerial control. To achieve active managerial control means you're taking proactive measures to ensure you're serving the safest food possible. The Cutting Edge program helps operators achieve active managerial control through 3 easy steps: policy, train, and verify. First, policies are developed to establish safe and efficient processes based on the business's specific needs. Then, employees are trained on these policies. And finally, monitoring steps are put in place to verify that the policies are being followed. Implementing these food safety systems help ensure consistent delivery of safe, quality product. To enroll in the program is easy. Our department has provided multiple resources to help you with not only enrollment, but continued success in the program. All of these resources can be found at our department's Cutting Edge website. To enroll, simply fill out an application and submit to our department. We provide an application that can be filled out and submitted electronically, as well as one that can be printed and submitted at a later date. The application requires some basic business and contact information to get the process started. Also in the application, you will find the 10 risk factors that are the focus of the program. These risk factors, such as personal hygiene, temperature control, and cross-contamination, are the primary cause of foodborne illness. Provide the best information you can when filling out this part of the application. Once complete, simply email the application to our department. You can also work with your inspector to submit the application. And if you own multiple businesses, you can submit for multiple locations using the same application. Once the application is reviewed, you will be contacted to arrange for a policy review. This review process can be completed a number of different ways. You can send us policies to conduct an independent review, or we can arrange to meet and review the policies together. Whatever's more convenient for you. You need to submit a policy for each of the 10 risk factors applicable to your business. A complete list of the 10 risk factors is located in the application, as well as the program website. If you already have policies developed, please ensure they include who is responsible for the process, the steps required to be in compliance with the regulations, a corrective action plan to address any missteps in the process, how the processes are verified and by whom, and finally, how the employees are trained on these procedures. If you need assistance with developing policies, we have many resources for you. On our website, you will find policy templates in Word document format, as well as a link to an interactive online tool developed by the state of Alaska that formats and generates a final policy once you have entered your business-specific details. If more direct assistance is needed, our department offers a free 2.5-hour active managerial control class where policy development is covered in detail. If you wish to enroll in a future active managerial control class, please call this number. Once all the policies are approved, simply train your employees on them. You are now officially enrolled in the Cutting Edge program. You now will receive promotional materials to help you showcase your elevated food safety practices as a member of the Cutting Edge program. Additionally, we highlight all Cutting Edge members through our department's restaurant ratings website, in addition to our department's mobile device tool. Once enrolled, your inspector will contact you to schedule your first inspection, which is called a verification visit. As a Cutting Edge member, your inspections will alternate between a routine inspection and a verification visit. So what is a verification visit? This inspection is similar to a routine inspection with an increased focus on the food safety systems as they relate to the risk factors. Your involvement in this inspection is preferred, but it is not required. During a verification visit, our staff will be checking your food safety systems to ensure that they are effective. And if a risk factor violation is observed, that you and your staff know how to correct this item without the intervention by the inspector. Additionally, if a risk factor violation is observed, they will assist you to identify where the system breakdown did occur. This is what we call a root cause analysis. If no more than one risk factor violation is observed during a verification visit, your business will receive an A grade. If staff are trained on policies and your verification steps are completed daily, these systems should result in a brief inspection, since all of the risk factors will be found in compliance. This is active managerial control in action. As you can see, this program offers many benefits to your business. If you have any questions about the program or its benefits, you can speak with your inspector, send us an email, or give us a call.